Hi, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, Angel had a great time throwing everything out of our shelves that we've been using as a dresser. So we're gonna go to Acma today. We're gonna look for some good organizational solutions that minimize his destruction. And for me, nothing makes me happier than being organized, everything in its right place. And it just looks cleaner, it looks nicer, and it declutters my brain. Here we are, Acma. We saw a little bit of everything here. It's like everything from China, right? Ah, look at that.
Pot.
And it's got a
And
timer.
it's got a timer in it. For your pasta pot, no?
It'll fit any pot, I think, right? That's what the blue rings are for?
Yeah.
That's
but,
cool.
Yeah, the smaller size I think is similar to what it had. You said 9-inch, right?
Yep. The one that we broke?
Problem is we should have measured millimeters or centimeters because that's what...
We got lots of kitchen stuff. Shades for your car, toolbox organizations, spray paint, glue. Oh, that's mouse traps.
I got the molds
Hammers.
to make your tortilla bowls.
Oh, look at that apron. That's how I'm gonna wean Angel. They're ready for Easter. Make your own Easter basket. Like, oh, like favors for baby showers. Not having luck. Kitsch. I hate kitsch. Like dust collectors. That's a big wine glass. Got an area full of balls. Angel, want a ball? Picture frames. Those are cute. Mirrors. Chairs. Well, Acma was a huge bust, so we're gonna head up the hill to the Megapaca. Megapaca happens to be right next to Acma, so not really a waste of time. Let's see if we can find some treasure. Gracias. Gracias. Again, kitchen. Kitchens are popular right now. And look who I found. And we've got a bin. 2, 3. There's 3 there. All right, that's a
They're
great
marked
start.
25 each.
Okay, so super happy with the way this turned out. So we have all of Angel's jeans that are not on the line in this one. We've got all his onesies in this one, and I have them split up by long sleeve on this side, short sleeve on this side, and then all of his pajamas fit in the other one. And then for his socks, which again, most of them are on the line, I've got this small bin. So happy so far. Okay, and here's what it looks like. All refolded, top shelf organized, still looking for more solutions for the rest of it. This is the end of our video for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that bell for our next adventure. Bye!